How to change language in Pocket Option application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change the language setting in the Pocket Option application to your preference, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Pocket Option app from your smartphone or your tablets and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into the Pocket Option account, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now from the expanded menu, click on this language drop-down right above settings. You'll then be able to see a list of supported languages on the page. Select the language you want. Once you do that, your app will refresh and your language has been changed. You can see it for yourself. You can always go to the same tab and change to your language of your preference whenever you want. Whether you are stuck in a language that you don't understand or you just want to change to your preferred language, this is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.